Routewise dispatch report. As you know, Petpooja inventory has a module for central kitchen, and under central kitchen we provide a feature for route management where you can essentially club your outlets and create routes which a vehicle can follow during the delivery process of raw materials. This feature has an important sub-feature of Routewise dispatch report, where you can generate a report in which the name of raw materials along with its quantity is mentioned and which route requires which raw material in which quantity is also mentioned. This can help you to streamline your operations, create packets for delivery, and actually create checkpoint while loading delivery vehicles. So the entire process becomes very smooth. Let us see how can you access this report in Petpooja inventory. To begin, you'll have to log on to your owner's dashboard. Under Central Kitchen module, you have to go to Inventory section. Inside Inventory, Route Management feature will be visible, where Routewise dispatch report is present. As you can see, you can apply filters on the basis of date range, on the basis of your outlets, and on the type of documentation, whether it was a purchase order which was received or is it sales which was registered. Once done, you can click on search and a list like so will appear. This column heading is for the raw material item names and its units. On the right hand side, all these are the route names. As you can see at the bottom, the first route had a total of 787 units. So 787 could be my checkpoint where I check whether the vehicle which is carrying the raw materials have these many units present on that particular day or not. The same column for grand total will be present on the right hand side, where you can actually ascertain the value of particular raw material required in how much total amount. To export this in Excel format, you can click here and generate an Excel sheet containing all the details. So this was about Routewise dispatch report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.